Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to search the group policy for a specific group policy object. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key and letter R on your keyboard. So pagsabayin mo lang yung Windows key plus letter R and pop up itong run, okay? So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. Okay, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na gpedit.msc and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And ito yung tinatawag ng local group policy editor. So ang next step ay dito lang sa local computer policy, under dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative template. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung view. Okay, so i-click mo lang yung view. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung filter options. Okay, so pwede mo naman itong i-select yung other option dito na filter dito sa icon na to. So pwede mong i-click yan. Pwede rin dito sa view and then select mo lang dito yung filter options. And then pop up itong filter option settings. Okay, so select options below to enable and change or disable types of global filters that will be applied to the administrative templates nodes. Okay, so pangalawa ay makikita mo dito yung select the type of policy settings to display. So nandito yung tatlong options. Dito sa manage pwede mong itong i-modify like any yes or no, and then same dito sa configured, same ng any yes or no, and then commented. Select mo lang dito or option mo kung gusto mo ng any yes or no. Okay, so select ka lang dito. And then dito naman ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong box na enable keyword filters. Okay, so filter for words. So pwede kang mag-type dito, for example type mo yung Windows, and then dito naman pwede mo itong modify like any, all, or exact. And then within naman dito sa kanyang policy settings title, pwede mo itong i-check, or help text, pwede mong i-check, or dito sa comment mga kaibigan. And then next step, dito naman sa kanyang enable requirements filters. So i-check mo lang yan, and then makikita mo na dito sa baba yung include settings that match any of the selected platforms. So nandito mga kaibigan, okay? And then next, once na gawa mo na to or nalagay mo na dito lahat yung mga kailangan mong words, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to search group policy for a specific GPO in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.